Hello kids, today we are learn A to Z and color name brown color, gray color, black color, yellow color, peach pink color, dark green color, purple color, pink color, sky blue color, orange color, light green color, red color. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for hen. I. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for mango. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for peacock. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. T. T for tree. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Red color. A. A for alligator. A for alligator. Orange color. B. B for books. B for books. Yellow color. C. C for cup. C for cup. Light green color. D. D for duck. D for duck. Sky blue color. E. E for earth. E for earth. Pink color. F. F for fingers. F for fingers. Purple color. G. G for glue. G for glue. Red color. H. H for house. H for house. Orange color. I. I for iron. I for iron. Yellow color. J. J for jacket. J for jacket. Light green color. K. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Sky blue color. L. L for leap. L for leap. Pink color. M. M for mango. M for mango. Red color. N. N for nut. N for nut. Orange color. O. O for orange. O for orange. Yellow color. P. P for pencil. P for pencil. Light green color. Q.
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
Q for Queen. Q for Queen. Sky blue color R. R for rat. R for rat. Pink color S. S for snake. S for snake. Purple color T. T for telephone. T for telephone. Red color U. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Orange color V. V for van. V for van. Yellow color W. W for wolf. W for wolf. Light green color X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Sky blue color Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Pink color Z. Z for zero. Z for zero. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.